there is a moment when the soul reaches out beyond the boundaries, the physical world, silent whisper echoing through the depths of our being. It is resonance that binds us to everything around, sun that transcends words and logic. It is in those fleeting instances when we feel deeply connected to someone or something do we truly understand the power of soul resonance. It is not something we can see or touch, but it is undeniably real, a force that guides us through the darkness and into the light. It reminds us that we are more than just flesh, calm that our essence is intertwined with the universe itself. And when we tune into this resonance, we find a harmony that can heal and transform. It is a reminder that at our core, we are all part of a greater symphony waiting to be heard and felt. There is a subtle yet profound moment when the soul begins to hum its own silent melody, a vibration that resonates deep within, at the core of our being. It is as if the universe itself whispers back to us, confirming our place within its vast symphony. In those instances when our hearts beat in harmony with another soul, we sense a connection that defies explanation. It is not merely empathy or understanding, but a deeper recognition, shared frequency that transcends language and reason. It is us. If our spirits are tuning to a frequency that aligns our sense with it, the cosmos in it. The alignment, we feel an unspoken unity, a sense that we are part of something infinitely larger than ourselves. This resonance is elusive yet undeniable. It stirs a longing to listen more closely to the subtle vibrations that guide us. It beckons us to open our hearts and tune ourselves to the calm, quiet music of existence that echoes through the universe and within us all. As the soul begins to hum its own silent melody, it creates ripples that extend beyond the individual to the fabric of the universe. These vibrations are like invisible threads, weaving us into the grand tapestry of existence. When two souls resonate together, it is as though they are exchanging whispers from the depth of eternity, a language beyond words that speaks directly to the core of our being. In those moments, the boundaries between self and truth either dissolve and we become part of a larger harmony that pulses through the cosmos. It is in this shared resonance that we find a profound sense of belonging, a recognition that we are not isolated islands, but integral notes in a universal symphony. The subtle vibrations of this connection stir a deep awareness that we are continually attuned to the unseen currents guiding us. It is as if the universe itself is singing a song only the heart can hear. When we listen closely, we realize that every beat, every whisper, part of a divine chorus echoing through the corridors of our soul. This resonance awakens a sense of purpose, a feeling that we are participating in something infinitely meaningful, and that our true essence is forever intertwined in the eternal melody of existence. As the subtle hum of the soul's resonance deepens, it begins to reveal hidden language woven in the fabric of our consciousness. These vibrations ripple outward like gentle waves across an infinite sea, stirring the very essence of existence. When two spirits align in this silent harmony, it feels as if the universe itself leans in closer, listening to the delicate whispers exchanged in the space between hearts. It is a dance of frequencies so refined that words become unnecessary, each pulse carrying a sacred message that only the soul can comprehend. In these moments, the boundaries of time and dissolve, and what remains is a pure connection that transcends all understanding. The resonance becomes a bridge not only between individuals, but between moments in eternity. Continuous flow of these sustains the fabric of our being. It is as if the universe is constantly singing the song of unity, and in tuning into this melody we discover a profound sense of belonging that surpasses physical existence. Every subtle vibration acts as a reminder that we are part of a grand cosmic chorus where intent is vital. to soothe. Every silence holds meaning. When we attune ourselves to the vibrations, we awaken a deeper awareness that our true purpose is woven into the eternal symphony echoing through the cosmos. Within our very souls,